Oh my god, I think I came in wrong direction. So these are the posh apartments of South Delhi. It is very challenging to cross this road, playing like a GTA game. So guys, I am starting this motovlog from Southern Enclave. It is in South Delhi. Maybe this vlog will end at Vasant Vihar, Aravalli Hills region. Let's explore the streets of South Delhi. It is one of the most posh and green locations in Delhi region. On the right hand side you have seen some apartments, and on left hand side you have trauma center. Look at these beautiful apartments. Guys, trust me, South Delhi gives me feeling of European country because I cannot afford to travel in Europe. Unfortunately, I had to take U-turn. This is a modern building, I don't know the name. Let's check. Swami Vivekanand. This is a Krida Aghat Kendra, sports injury. Let's hope I get a free right turn. Bad luck. Thank God the green signal came. I need to take U-turn now. This is the sports injury center. Now in front of me is the police without helmet. Such police people must be reported. Oh my god, I think I came in wrong direction. I need to take the left turn as soon as possible, because I guess I wanted to take the right turn, but bad luck again. These are the posh apartments. This is the wrong cut. I need to correct myself. Again bad luck. So these are the posh apartments of South Delhi. So these are the rich apartments. Anytime Fitness Center. This is again a rich apartment. Again the multi-luxurious apartment. It is very challenging to cross this road, playing like a GTA game. Again the ultra luxurious apartment. Once again ultra luxurious apartment. So on left hand side is Southern Enclave. You will see many showrooms of car and also some hospitals. This left hand side is fully filled with ultra luxurious apartments. 3, 2, 1. Now please let me go in. So on left hand side is St. Thomas Church, and on right hand side is the government apartments, and on left hand side is the Kendriya Vidyalaya Central Government School, and this is the Ayyappa Temple on left hand side. So this is RK Puram Sector 1 region. On Wednesday or Tuesday we have market area, but this area is fully occupied by street hawkers. And in front of you is the market area for repairing motorcycle. So we are passing through RK Puram Sector 1. I hope I didn't kill any pigeons. This is the motor market on right hand side. In front of you is the signal. On left hand side is the government apartments of RK Puram Sector 1. 60 seconds, so long wait. Very boring. It was very difficult for me to pass through this traffic because a motor learner was making delay. She can't even start her car. Again, I am feeling like I am playing a video game. This is Sector 5 RK Puram market area. It is Tamil Sangam on left hand side. Again a challenging road. So on left hand side is RK-Puram sector 5. This is the bus stop, and in front of you is the Mohan Singh Market, RK-Puram sector 6. So narrow pathway. That person was busy on mobile. Nowadays we have Bluetooth devices available, so it is very easy to handle calls, but still these stupid fools are driving while using mobile phones. God give them some brain. Again I'm seeing red light. I don't know why I don't get green signal to pass through the traffic. I hate waiting so long in traffic. It is really frustrating for me. I need an easy pass through while riding motorcycle. So in front of you is Rautula Ram Marg flyover that connects from Airport Road of Mahipalpur till IIT. So we are entering Basant Vihar, the diplomatic enclave of South Delhi. And on left hand side you have Guru Harkishan Public School and also Chilean Embassy just in front of this. I think these are embassy officials. And in front of you on right hand side is the church, Dominic Church. So these are modern cars and embassy cars. On right hand side you have Angola Embassy, and this is the Basant Vihar. The Zimbabwe Embassy is on left hand side. This is the embassy car. Now I really like passing through these vehicles. This is the Holy Child Auxilium School where all rich kids study here. The famous actress Smriti Irani was also studying in this school many years ago. So you will see ultra luxurious homes in Basant Vihar. So I will take you through all these rich areas of Basant Vihar. Next time I will show you the embassy of Argentina. Since I am in motorcycle, it will be difficult for me to record because of so high security. My motorcycle can be stopped there. So I will be showing you embassy of Argentina through walking tales, not now. It is almost difficult to record while motovlogging. On right hand side you have a Gurudwara of Basant Vihar, and they provide free charitable and free medical services in afternoon time. On left hand side you have Basant Vihar metro station, and in front of you is I think Meghalaya House, and right hand side you have embassy of El Salvador, a Spanish speaking country. This is a beautiful building. On right hand side you have the Mizoram House, Government of Mizoram. On left hand side I think it is the Telangana Bhavan, and in front of you is Lalit Mahajan School.